You've seen them, you may have used one, you got a friend that's got one, and you want one too, but you never thought that you could afford it. What am I talking about? Stick around and find out. I'm talking about the ZT40H mag drill from Vevor. This can be yours. You got to see this thing operate. It's got an 800 RPM high torque geared motor. It's got a 12,500 Newton electromagnet. That's 2,080 pounds. That's almost a ton and a half. Best of all, this kit comes with everything that you need. You get the drill, you get the safety strap, you get the coolant reservoir, you get 3 Allen wrenches, you get the center pin, you get a drill chuck key, you get a 3/4 inch welding shank to drill chuck adapter, and you get 11 annular cutters from 12, 13, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 23, 24, 26, even the monster 27 millimeter annular cutter set. Using this drill can't be any easier. We're going to drill a 20 millimeter hole through 1 inch steel plate. So you take your center pin, drop it in, pop your bit inside the drill, tighten it down with the Allen wrench. Make sure it's snug. Okay, then you're going to position your drill. I got a little white mark on here where I want it to drill. All right, the next thing you do is you flip this switch right here. That's the electromagnet. Once that's on, this puppy's not going anywhere. Not with a ton and a half of holding power. Turn your drill on and drill, baby, drill. Now, I don't have any coolant in my reservoir, so I'm going to use some Tap Magic cutting oil. Now, I didn't speed this up. This is real-time video, people. And here's our plug that we just cut out. There you go. Doesn't get any better than that. Now, just take a look at that hole. Look at how smooth that is. No burrs, and it literally took only 15 seconds. And there's the plug we cut out of it. Let's see you do that with the regular twist drill. So how cool is that? There's not a better way to drill holes in thick plate than with annular cutters on a mag drill. $269.99 as of today. This is April 11th, 2025. Register on Vevor and get it for $211. Follow the affiliate link below for a 5% discount using my code. It comes with 11 annular drill bits also, and all of the accessories. Get it now while you can before those tariffs kick in. If you don't get it now, you're going to wish you did. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.